Hi guys, welcome to my video today. If you're new to my channel, my name's Molly. Thanks so much for stopping by. I am making today a super easy and fun 4th of July little treat. This is a video in part of a collaboration with my wonderful YouTube friends, Kristy and Melissa. And this is our monthly collaboration video, and the theme is 4th of July. So everyone that's gonna be part of this collaboration is gonna have some awesome 4th of July recipes and some themed food and everything. So I'm gonna have a playlist in the description box. So check that out and check out what everyone is up to making for their 4th of July celebrations. So I'm going to be making an American flag, basically like a charcuterie board. And it's so easy. If you've been around my channel, you know my recipes are super simple. I do not overcomplicate things. I like things to be healthy. We're gonna have some treats in this one. So it is some white chocolate covered pretzels. My kids are obsessed with these, like the salty and the sweet. So they love those. So I definitely cannot buy them very often. It is gonna be strawberries, blueberries, and then I have some white chocolate chips for like the little stars on the flag. But I'm gonna show you how I make this. Super festive for 4th of July. I hope that you all have a great 4th of July celebration. We have just been celebrating a ton and we just kind of drag it out for like a whole week to celebrate 4th of July. But I'm gonna get this all made up and I'll show you how I make the flag. Make sure you check out Kristy and Melissa's channels. They have wonderful channels. You will love them. So many awesome recipes, decorating, just all kinds of awesome stuff. So check out their channels and also check out the playlist that will be in the description box. So I'm gonna get this all made up.